Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the something we all have, but we don't think about it. It's not just a device, it's your sidekick, your lifeline, and sometimes it's your biggest distraction. So, how do we build a healthy relationship with your phone? I am breaking it into 5 practical steps. Let's begin. The first step is set boundaries. Think of your phone like a friend. You love hanging out with them, but you don't want them showing up uninvited to your dinner or interrupting your sleep, right? The same goes for your phone. Start by using features like do not disturb during work, meal, or family time. And this way you can focus on what's in front of you without constant pinch pulling your attention away. And you create phone free zones in your life. Keep your phone out of the bedroom, out of the dining table, and these small steps can help you stay present and enjoy the moment without your phone. And second step is curate your content. If your feed is filled with negativity, with mindless scrolling, it's time to clean up by unfollowing accounts that drains your energy, drains your focus, that make you feel bad about yourself, and you don't need that energy in your life. Now it's time to fill your feed with positivity, with stuff that inspire you, motivate you, help you how to grow in life, whether it's in fitness, art, or personal development. No matter, just you have to fill with positive people. And don't forget to organize your apps into folders. And this small step can help you avoid mindless scrolling. And third step is use it, don't abuse it. So many people are making this huge mistake. It's a tool, not a trap. It's amazing capturing memories, but don't let it stop you from living in the moment. Take that photo, but put your phone away and enjoy the experience instead of texting, instead of try calling someone. A real conversation can be so much more meaningful than a text. Your phone is packed with tools to help you grow in life. Explore apps for meditation, learning, or time management, and turn your phone into a productivity powerhouse instead of a distraction machine. And fourth step is schedule your screen time. This is your chance to hit the reset button. Start small, maybe 30 minutes a day, and gradually increase the time. Use this break to do something like exercising, reading books, or spending time with loved ones. And this way, you are not constantly wondering how much time has passed. Here's the best part, you will start to notice how much more present and more relaxed you feel without your phone. It's like giving your brain a mini vacation, and don't worry, your phone will still be there when you get back. And fifth step is turn off notifications. Start by disabling notifications for non essential apps like games or social media. Just keep only important ones like messages or calendar reminders. And don't forget about do not disturb. Use it during focused work or relaxation time. Remember, your attention is precious. Don't let your phone steal it. And this small change can make a huge difference in how you use your phone. Instead of reacting to every notification, you will be in control of when and how you engage with your device. So there you have it, 5 practical steps to build better relationship with your phone. It's all about balance. Your phone is a tool, friend, or lifeline. It should not control your life. And let me know in the comments below which step you are going to try first. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more life changing videos. Thanks for watching this. Until the next video, keep learning, keep going.